Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making banana pudding. And if you're new around here, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that little bell. The ingredients are ice cold water, vanilla Jell-O, and condensed milk, heavy whipping cream, bananas, and Nilla wafers. The first step is we're going to add the condensed milk and the ice cold water into the bowl. Now we're going to add the vanilla Jell-O. Now we're going to let it set in the fridge for 3 hours. Now we're going to work on our heavy whipping cream. 3 cups. Okay guys, it has to look like this. Hi guys, we're back, and today our vanilla pudding is set. Now we're going to put our vanilla pudding into the whipped cream. When it looks like this, that means it's ready. Now we're gonna put together the banana pudding. Okay guys, now we're gonna decorate it. If you guys have any more ideas like this, comment down below. I want to give a shout out to Raina. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys try this at home. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Cowabunga.